So when you're presenting in Prezi Video, you can also easily share out your screen. And to do that, all over here on the right hand side, on the bottom right, you can see share screen is an option. And once you click on this, what you have is you can go around and share around entire screen. So in my case, there's two screens, so you can see screen 1 and screen 2. You can choose the one you want and share it out. You can also go towards window, and then what you can do is you can go around over here and choose the window that you want to share, or choose Chrome tab right here and select out the Chrome tab that you want to share right here, just like this, and share just that particular Chrome tab. So in my case, I'm going to select entire screen and select screen 1 and click on share. And once I do that, you can see that the screen is here. So let me just go around and you can see the entire screen right here. You can hide this out as well, and you will see that this is how it shows up. You can see your mouse right here. So if I were to click, you can see the screen is being copied out right here. If I were to go around and make it full screen, now you can see that this screen is full screen right here. I can click and drag this around, and whatever you see on my screen, it is over here, as you can see. If I were to go around right click, you can see all the options are being displayed out right here, just like this. So if you want to demonstrate out something on your screen and then record it for your presentation, you can simply do that. You can go around over here, hide the screen over here as well, or enable it by clicking on this button right here. And if you want to stop out the screen sharing altogether, then you can click on stop screen share, and what happens is that the screen sharing will stop. And that is how you can share out your screen in Prezi Video. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.